I picked up another Civivi Elementum today on a shopping trip over to Walmart, town where my daughter lives. I wasn't planning on it, but I saw it there. They had a Cubit and a couple of different design Civivis there. They weren't the lowest price, they're $2 more in store than if you buy them online at Walmart. This flipper style Civivi Elementum original style is $51 and it's $53 in the store plus tax. I think I got it for $50.99 2 years ago. And then I sold it. I got a wild hair to get rid of the Chinese knives, and then I read more about it and had a change of heart about all manufactured products. This is a high quality product designed by U.S. engineers and knife guys, technicians all over the world, and they use WE and Civivi manufacturing process in China, which is a real high-end deal going. They also make cheap knives in China, but this isn't one of them. I kind of got my mind changed by checking out my son-in-law's Kershaw Brawler, which is a fabulous knife. It's maybe over 5 years old. Real heavy duty, got great solid frame design and the frame lock design to it. Simple enough, but they're around $55, $56 now also. You can get them. You can always find some cheaper deal, I guess, but to tell you the truth, in store, these are running about $55. Tonto blade, the fine design, heavy duty. Chinese manufacturer made, same big factory in a city of, Yangjing, China. Chang, China. Civivi and WE are pretty cool manufacturing process. I can get this open and close with one hand if I use my right hand. I can also cut myself. I proved that when I bought it before, but we're not working at it. I cut my knuckle several times, letting that blade drop too fast. But I like this Civivi Elementum, and I'm glad I picked it up again. I've got a carry system that it works really well with. My leather carry pouches I use. Let's see if I can get them in here get the panoramic view coming up. Hopefully I've got my face in this one. But yeah, like I said, my arthritis gets back at me every now and then. I don't get the flipper thing going well. Left hand's usually worse. But I work at it, give it a little extra oomph and I can get it open pretty easy. But I like that very much, the Civivi Elementum. And of course I like my Buck 112 Ranger Slim Sight, but I gotta get a bigger, I want to get a larger single slip for this, because this hangs out a little too high in the current carry system I have. Love it, but I need a different carry system for that Buck. This slides in really sweet and gives me a finger grip, finger pad grip to pull it on out, access. There's only one way to put on the pocket clips for these, so you can't have immediate access to the flipper coming out this way, but that's all right. I don't have to have instant access. It just has to be able to get to it. Get to the blade, the knife, get it back in the pouch and in the pocket. Pretty cool. I'm liking that carry system. Very good. Like I said, I like all my knives, USA made or not. Everything I'm carrying now is USA made. I even have a Spyderco little native that is really cool. Thumb assist, choke up grip to it. It's really nice. That notch out there is made for your index finger on the little native. Not so much for the the Civivi Elementum. falls down a little. I got to get I want a native 5. It's a little larger knife, but yeah, for the Civivi, the notch here is just an enlarged sharpening choil, and you don't want to put your finger in there. Same with the Spitfire, Buck Spitfire designs, have that same design to the blade, kind of a hollow grind with the enlarged sharpening choil, and you can cut yourself on the blade if you choke up on that. It's made to hold here, the Civivi, which is cool. A little warning out to everybody. But yeah, that's neat. Hence the Spyderco 726 has that same sharpening choil that looks like you could put your finger there, but you shouldn't. It's a slicer. Another cool knife though, Spyderco 726, and it's a sweet rider in my carry system made for it. Very cool. Cool all around. And I'm liking my latest addition, Civivi Elementum, to my EDC carry package. Thanks for stopping by, Knife Nuts. I appreciate it. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and be well.